from Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
We're over here at the BlackSteel website. I'll have the link in the description below. Use my link. It helps me out a little bit. It bumps me up on the waiting list. But anyways, back to the BlackSteel video. So it is a waiting list, kind of like the Tomo card, BlockFi, a couple of the other cards that are out there right now, Benjamin. Some of those are already released, but they had a waiting list in the beginning. Waiting list is quite normal with fintech companies, so don't be discouraged about the waiting list. That's quite normal. So we're just going to go over a little overview real quick about BlackSteel, and then I'll let you know when they are actually releasing the BlackSteel card. Before get into that, we're just going to go over some features real quick on their website. It says right here, we're about cash flow, not credit. Credit scores are outdated of underwriting credit cards. BlackSteel determines your credit limit by how much you earn, save, and typically spend. So simply connect your bank account and get approved with an active credit card number. Best in class, receive 1% cash back on all purchases and up to 3% cash back with select partners. No point BS, so make paying easy with auto pay. Set up bi-weekly, weekly, monthly auto pay payments so you never miss a payment. So it is kind of like a Tomo card or Divvy card, but it's personal credit. They're going to draw weekly or bi-weekly or monthly. So it's not really a revolving credit card. I know a lot of people be like, oh, it's not great because it's not revolving, but you might want to still consider getting this card because it is a new fintech company, and who knows what's going to change. A lot of these fintech companies, they're going to change, I think, over time. 0% APR, reports to all three major credit bureaus. So this is great for those that need to build up personal credit, but even those that don't need to build up personal credit, I think this still could be a decent card for some of you guys. There's no fees at all with this card, and you get up to 5 times higher limits. So if you look at like Capital One, you know, they don't give very good limits. This card, I think, could give you better limits. So the standard card is 1% cash back on all purchases. It's just a plastic card. And the premium card is a 20-gram tungsten steel card, and you get more cash back and rewards, although they don't disclose exactly how much. One thing I can tell you though is I got an email today from them, and it looks like they're going to be starting to release on Q2, so that could be as early as March or April this year. So what you're going to do is just put in your email address as far as the application goes. Put in your application email address, put in your first and last name, and then it's going to ask for your monthly income. It's going to be based on your income and what you have in your bank account. What I would assume by this form is it's when right now they're just doing pre-approval, but once they launch, they're going to have you send the invitation. They're going to have you probably be using something like the Plaid platform, more than likely, to connect to your bank account to see your personal banking information. That's how they're going to give you the credit limit. Let's just put that information in and see what happens. So it came back and said 5,000. Okay, so it kind of just depends on what your monthly income is and how much you have in the bank. Kind of that's going to get your pre-approval. It says 5,000 for the information I put in. Click the link below. They don't ask you for your social security number or anything like that, so it's worth a shot to try. Get in that waiting list later down the line once they launch. Like I said, it could only be 3 months from now, 2 months from now when they actually launch. It's not like some of the other ones, you know, where you're waiting like a year or 2 years and stuff. So anyways, I think this card could be useful for a lot of people. Just try it out. Like I said, it's no hard pull, no credit check or anything like that. Check it out. What do you have to lose? Okay, I know this is about personal credit. Should be on my Credit Josh channel, but I just want to put it all on this channel. Sign up using my link because it'll bump me up on the waiting list, and then once they launch, I can give you guys an updated video after that and give you my honest feedback once the card actually gets launched. Okay, so with all that being said, you guys take care. Have a good evening. Great 2022. Be safe. Stay tuned for more videos. Give a thumbs up to the video. Make sure you subscribe. all notifications, I'd appreciate it. Okay? You guys take care. Thanks. I will have more videos soon. Bye-bye.